What's up, Enternators? So today we are going to be cooking something very special to me because it's actually one of my mom's recipes. Today we are making tortellini with breaded chicken. So let's get to it. Everybody's favorite part of every meal is the meat. So what we're going to start with is the chicken. We're going to start with our fat piece of chicken. Then we're going to cut it in half. Not like that. Like that. Get yourself a big bowl. Put some garlic salt, chicken bouillon, or how I say it, consommé, black pepper, Worcester, the brown bottle stuff. Wrap it in plastic and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes. For the breading, let's get some flour. Get your garlic powder, Italian breadcrumbs, and some cayenne pepper. Once you're done pouring your oil, let's go ahead and make our sauce. I mean, this one's already made, but we can make it a bit better. Pour your salsa, salt, oregano, garlic powder, and some pepper. Mix, mix, mix. Once your oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, start the breading. Start your pasta water with some salt. Once the water is boiling, eat the tortellinis in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below what else you want to see me cook for you guys. Peace out.